Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Steam games offline. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, there's something important you need to know before we proceed. Not all Steam games can be played offline, and even if you use Steam's offline mode, it depends entirely on how the game is designed. Some games require an internet connection to function, so keep that in mind as you follow along. Now look at the upper left corner of your Steam window. You'll see the word Steam in the menu bar, click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Go Offline. This action switches your Steam client into offline mode, which allows you to access and play your games without an active internet connection. This is the key step that enables offline gameplay. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on Library. This will bring up your entire collection of installed games. The library is where all your downloaded titles are stored, and it's the hub for launching any game you want to play. In the left panel of your library, you'll see a list of all your games. Scroll through this list and click on the game you want to play offline. Once you've selected the game, click the play button. This will launch the game directly from your Steam client while you're in offline mode. Now wait for a few seconds while the game loads. Depending on the size and complexity of the game, this might take a moment, so just be patient as everything iniitializes and prepares to run offline. Alternatively, if you don't have an internet connection at all and Steam isn't automatically starting in offline mode, there's another way to launch your games. Simply go to your desktop and locate the shortcut for the Steam game you want to play. Double-click on that shortcut and it will attempt to launch the game directly. Again, wait for a few seconds while the game loads. The system will recognize that you're offline and should allow you to play the game if it supports offline functionality. And that's it. You've now set up Steam to play games offline, giving you the flexibility to enjoy your library even without an internet connection. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.